Hello guys, welcome to Swift Communication GH. In this video I'll be reviewing the first generation Microsoft Surface laptop. The color I'll be reviewing today is silver or metallic ash. As you can see under the laptop, you see the Microsoft logo on it. By the side we have the charging port. On the other side we have a USB port, a mini display port and a headphone jack. This is a very sleek and lightweight laptop. It's good for students and businessmen. Under the laptop you can see the vent for cooling. The laptop we are reviewing today has a 13.5-inch display with a touch screen on it. The keyboard is ash. The laptop feels like an Alcantara fabric. It's not metal. The keyboard feels like fabric. The power button is on the keyboard. Okay guys, let's turn on the laptop. As you can see, the Microsoft logo is the first thing that appears on it. This really takes fast to start up. Let's check out the specs at Task Manager. The unit I'll be reviewing today is a i7 7th generation. It has 2 cores and 4 processors. It comes with an 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD. It has a shared GPU of 4GB. On the top of the laptop, if you look closely, you can see the Face ID and the front-facing camera with a microphone. Let's check out the available storage on File Explorer. As you can see, we have 236GB left. Currently some updates are running, so you can check how long it takes to restart. I really like the feeling of the keyboard. This is the charger. It comes with a magnetic charger. As you can see, once you place it by the side, it sticks to the laptop, similar to a MacBook charger. Please guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting video like this. See you in the next video.